Welcome to Onyx Garage tutorial videos. In this video we will introduce you to Onyx Mobile, which is available on iOS and Android. This is a new feature on Onyx which allows you to create and edit job cards and invoices and also capture GDPR information all from your iPhone, iPad or Android device. There are links to the App Store and Google Play on the main welcome screen of Onyx for Windows, also within the online user manual, or you can search for Onyx Garage V4 within the appropriate App Store. Before you can use Onyx Mobile, there are some settings you need to make within Onyx for Windows. The first thing you need to do is go to Maintenance, More, Users. From here you will be able to create a new user account within Mobile. To add a new user, simply type the name as shown and press Enter. Now select the new account and press the Edit Permissions button. You will now be able to select the appropriate permissions for this account. For this demonstration, we will select all permissions and then press Save. You will now be asked to enter a password that the user will need to enter. We recommend that you use a combination of 3 unrelated words, for example lamp, tyre, horse, and then press OK. You will also need to know the server details to enter within Onyx Mobile. You can find these by going to Maintenance, More, View Slave Connections Details, and the IP address that you need to enter is listed at the bottom. Please note, unless your PC has been set up to use the same IP address continuously, then this IP address may change when you restart your PC or even after several days of use. So if Onyx Mobile cannot connect, be sure to check back to see if the IP address has changed, or better still, set your PC to always use the same IP address. We are now ready to open Onyx Mobile. By default, the port will be set to 443. This means that all data is encrypted before being passed over the network. If you only intend to use Onyx Mobile on your local Wi-Fi, then you can change the port to 80. This will remove the overhead of encryption. Enter the username and password that you created in Onyx and select Remember Me to save you having to type them all the time. Now press Login. And you will be at the main screen of Onyx Mobile. The navigation panel will be shown on the left hand side and will disappear once you select an option or if you press the button at the top. To re-display the navigation panel, press the button at the top left corner. So now we are ready to create a new invoice. Within the Create Invoice main screen, there are sections to select a vehicle, a customer, enter invoice items, invoice comments, and update invoice user field. If this is a known vehicle, then you would press the magnifying glass to search for existing vehicles, and then once found you would press the select button. But on this occasion it is a new vehicle, so we will create it by pressing the car icon. Now enter the registration number and then press the VRM button and select the appropriate VRM. On this occasion we will use a value VRM and then wait whilst Onyx contacts the server and obtains the vehicle details, which are then returned to the device. We can now press Save. We can now enter the mileage. If this was a known vehicle, then we would be able to press the Link Account button to view any customers that are associated with this vehicle. But as this is a new vehicle, we will need to select the customer manually. As this is a known customer, we will use the magnifying glass to search for their account. We enter their surname and press Enter, and the results are displayed for us. We then press Select. We can now enter the invoice items. We can enter a part or labour item, and if we know the part number, we can enter it directly. Here we will search from existing parts and then press OK. We have now added an oil filter to this invoice. We will now add some oil and finally a labour item and then press OK. We can now see the total for the invoice at the top and bottom. We can also select the mechanic. Once ready, return back to the main screen where we can press Save. We will then be asked if we wish to make a payment. We will answer yes. We now select the payment type and note that Onyx Mobile has already included the outstanding amount for the invoice. Press Save and the payment will be saved and then displayed. We can now close the payment screen and we'll be asked if we want to view the new invoice. If you need to email this to a customer, then you would press yes, otherwise press no. And that is how easy it is to create an invoice in Onyx Mobile. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos.